So I'm done taking out doesn't mean you will still wash it. Obviously I have a little bit OCD, so at that a lot of stress, they pick those things, they accessory, but this one, and then my Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. So this is me here just taking out everything from the refrigerator. I do have some unwanted things, some that have expired, not necessary, they don't need to be in the refrigerator, some are even empty. But this is bitter cola. My mom buys this for $5, guys. Do you imagine? It's so expensive. And I'm just gonna go ahead, empty out the refrigerator, throw out the unwanted things in the refrigerator. You guys just stay tuned. I always have Lunchables in the refrigerator because of easy. Most times when I'm working and he needs to snack real quick, I just go pull out a Lunchable for him. Agbo, those of you that know, you know. I always like having extra eggs, so I'm done taking out everything. And this is what it's looking like. I know for some people my refrigerator might not be so dirty, but for me, guys, this is nasty. Trust me, guys, I know what I'm saying. For me, this is really nasty. And thanks to the bin liners, the bin liner saves you the stress of having to clean all the dirt and grimes and stains that would have been in the bin. Doesn't mean you will still wash it. Obviously I'll still wash it. I didn't have extra bin liner for the other side, so I still have to take out everything and wash. You know, I realized that most times we only show ourselves cleaning me basically, I show myself cleaning the outside of the refrigerator, which is the body, but I do not clean the inside. I haven't shown you guys how I clean the inside. I don't often clean my refrigerator. I do it, I'd say, in a year, maybe twice. That's just me being honest, guys. Why? Because I clean as I go. Technically, if something pours immediately and I'm not happy about it, I have a little bit OCD, so at that point in time I see myself cleaning it immediately. So that's why my refrigerator is not even so dirty. So this is the first clean in 2022. That's just me being honest, guys. No, but seriously, I want to know from you guys, how often do you clean the inside of the refrigerator? How often do you think it should be cleaned? Just please let me know in the comment section down below, okay? So now that I'm done using a sponge, I'm gonna go in with a fiber cloth to just clean in the remaining residue that's left. You just never go wrong with fiber cloths. They're so good and efficient. Whoever invented them, came up with the idea, bless your soul, whoever you are. Good job, because fiber cloth just saves you a lot of stress. They pick those things, they do the job. They do the job for you. I think fiber cloths are a must have for every woman that loves cleaning or that does cleaning. So guys, it's time to take the bin liners out of the bins. Obviously I can't raise this up, so take the bin liners out and trash them. You guys see this? The bin liners save you stress, they save you a lot of work. So I'll just go in, put this beans in the sink, rinse them off, well technically wash it off, and voila, I'm done. so no much work to do, really. Bin liners are lifesavers as well. I think everyone should have a bin liner in their refrigerator, just to save you all the stress of when those fruits or vegetables, those juice that come out of them. I mean, this just saves you. You don't have to start cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. Too much stress. The stress has been taken off of us. Whoever invented bin liners did an awesome job. Okay, and now it's time to clean this part of the refrigerator. Not so dirty as well. I really wish I could afford a lot of bin liners. I would have put a lot of bin liners in here too. But they're not so dirty. I just tried my best to get the stains off, the little stains that were there. Mostly they are stains from like butter, jam, all that fun stuff. Some kind of sauces, mayonnaise, Guys, finally I'm done cleaning, and so here are my new bin liners. I think I do get them off of Amazon for about between $11 to $14. Shouldn't be more than $15 at most. Trust me guys, just go on Amazon and type bin liners. They save you all the stress, trust me. Okay guys, so now I'm done. My fridge is all set and neat. The next thing I'm just gonna do right here is I will go ahead and start putting everything that needs to be in the refrigerator back into the refrigerator. I don't want to spend so much time so I don't spoil my milk and every other thing, dairy or important that's supposed to be in the refrigerator. So this is what it's looking like. I do have my cheese here. For that cheese, I was having it in the box, but I just put it in this bowl. I decided it's more hygienic this way. So, and then I'm gonna go in my sweet peppers, just rearrange things. Guys, I threw away a lot of things that were not necessary, but this ones I've even cooked jollof rice with the tomatoes already. And then my fruits, now separating again. Hopefully I don't end up mixing, because that's what happens sometimes. You just get nonchalant. Guys, I really do appreciate those of you that have been watching this video up until this extent. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love and the support. Thank you so much for always showing Nike some love on this channel. You guys are the real MVPs. Trust me when I say that. I don't take your love for granted. I can't even tell you guys how many bags of carrots I did have in the refrigerator that were not necessary. Some had already gotten spoiled, and I always buy organic carrots. Yes guys, so do you see everything is all set? I do have my meals in the fridge because I meal prep for the week. I don't have energy to be cooking every week. My refrigerator looks clean, smooth, refreshing. I don't know what to say, but I do love it now. You guys can see everything looks so organized, beautiful. I am so proud of myself and I am excited. This is how a refrigerator should look like. Thank you guys so much for watching up till this extent. I really do appreciate you. God bless you, and please remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.